Hi, how are you? Today you can see I'm going to draw a girl climbing up a stair. So this is the hair. Let's first draw the outlines, then we're going to draw the details and the colors. Alright, so this is the outlines I'm drawing right now. Okay, this points is meeting up here. Alright, and the shape here, you can see I'm drawing the usual body shape. Okay, and another part you can see here, I'm just putting up a structure. All right, this is here. All right, so the combinations of the outlines is making the drawing a nice one. Okay, you can see. All right, and the extensions of the hands, this is actually the right hand. Okay, and this is meeting up to the here on the front. All right, let's see it to the front. Now the right hand is complete, and let's put the outlines of the blouse. You can see here. Okay, so this is the outlines. All right. Okay, and the hanging parts of the dresses, you can see just falling up here. Okay, all right, here. Okay, all right, you can see a curve here. Okay, all right, and the usual wrinkles and the other parts of the shades and shadow, those are the pretty details we need to draw. Okay, all right, and after completions of the drawing, everything is going to look nice and fine. All right, so you can see here the few details I'm doing right now. It usually make the drawings lively. Okay, putting the outlines up to the surface. Okay, here. All these details is making the drawing and the versions more elaborate and lively. This becomes a graphical designs and a very nice artwork. Okay, all right, and another part you can see here, but before that let's complete the total outlines of the traditional dress. and other part you can see here on the top positions. Okay, and the draping part from the other side, which is hanging from the dress, you can see. Okay, and we're going to put few outlines here, which is hanging from the hand. Coming up to the last end of the parts. All right, and the extension of the hands you can see here. 2, 3. Okay, so you can see that she's moving upward. Now I'm going to put the staircase with a pencil. This is the usual staircase. She is climbing. All right. Let's put the shades with the black pencils here. These are the vertical rise of the stairs. Some vertical rise you can see. Okay. For the hair, we are going to put some details. Lots of hair we're going to put on the top, and you can see the shades and shadows for the hair. Okay, let's put the color for the dresses. So for this part, we're going to put the red dress and the red color. This is the blouse. Okay, in some places we are putting the deeper color, it becomes deep, and in some places the colors is becoming lighter. Okay, So you can see the depths here and the shadow of the whole dress. Looks nice. Also you can see few wrinkles up here. Okay, and also few wrinkles from this side. And the depth of the colors and the more darker shade along the borders. Alright, so the blouse is done. Now I'm going to put the green color for the dress she is wearing. So let's put a whole shade of green all over the dresses. Then we're going to put the depths of colors and the shades later. Alright. So there's the green for the whole dress. Okay. Now we're going to put some shadows. Along the outlines. Alright, so we're going to put more depths with a darker pencil here. Let's put some deeper shades to the borders and the outlines of the traditional dress here. Okay, and putting lots of colors for the dresses here. a little darker shade. You can see I'm going to provide at this part. Okay. And two lines border here, and we're going to put a darker shade along these lines. All right, and in this part we're also going to put the darker shades. Okay, so for the dresses the coloring is almost finished. Now going to put colors for the body. You can see the orange color for the legs here, and also another orange color for the legs here. You can see the hands, nice color. These hands, you can see the orange color, and the bodies here. Orange to the borders, and yellow in the middle. Okay, also putting yellow and orange in the middle to the border. Okay, with the lead pencil we're going to put the clear outlines in some points, making it darker so that it does looks nice. All right, sorry, for the head and the hairs on the top, you can see I'm putting the shades from a different perspective so that it does looks good. Okay, also putting the colors here. Alright, so this is a nice drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing and enjoy the drawings. Thank you so much. Have a good day.